आज मैं हूँ सिलिकॉन वैली ऑफ इंडिया के एक ऐसे कैंपस में जहाँ दी हाईएस्ट पैकेज इज ओवर 72 lakhs. वेलकम टू NMIMS बेंगलुरु. With over 17 years of legacy, they provide 100% placement record along with industry-ready skills and top-class education. Modern classrooms, advanced labs and a student-friendly environment makes this campus even more special. They have over 30 international exchange programs as well. I have Dr. Narayani Ramachandran with me. I want to hear from her that why one should choose NMIMS Bengaluru.
The reason why any aspirant MBA student has to choose NMIMS Bengaluru is the first and foremost stellar placement record for their campus for the past 16 years. Let it be roles or let it be the variety of companies that visit and the industry that they participate in our placement process is any MBA aspirant's dream.
It is ranked second in India's Silicon Valley by India Today, Business Today and Fortune India. So this is their digital library where students are provided with Bloomberg setup. So can you tell me the benefits of having all this?
First of all, Bloomberg offers us multiple certificates like Bloomberg Market Concepts and Bloomberg Finance Fundamentals. And as students as well, we get a factually correct source of information from the vast plethora of information that is available online.
What experiential learning do you provide apart from the typical theory knowledge?
When we have a typical class happening for say a basic concept also, we try to give experience to the students.
Spread over 8.5 acres, this campus is all about space, comfort and facilities that makes learning even more enjoyable. So now let's talk about the most important thing, placements.
So the placements at this institute have been growing exponentially since we have incepted in 2008. So some of the top companies that come over here are IBM, Eli Lilly, Honeywell, Marsh, Ather and a lot more companies. These are just a few companies that I've quoted over here. Over the last few years, we've also received a lot of international offers and the placements over here are going great.
So continuing about the international placements, as Krish mentioned, last year our highest international package was of 72 LPA. Apart from that, our top job roles are product management, brand management, financial analyst, credit risk management, etc.
So now I want to understand how this institute's curriculum is making you all industry ready.
Our curriculum is not just based to the classroom. We are taking it ahead and beyond the whole four walls of our campus. We are using something known as Industry Institute Interface.
I think one of the most important things that we have on campus is the fact that it's one NMIMS, one curriculum. So you can interact with students throughout the campus, other campuses, and the learning experience is so much more.
सबसे बड़ा इवेंट कौन सा है इस इंस्टीट्यूट का?
TEDx, which we host, is one of the biggest student-driven event of this institute, and this year we will be hosting the 13th edition of TEDx.
IBM, ITC, Dell, and many more are top recruiters in this institute. If you also want to level up your career, then make sure to register using the link in bio.